Okie dokie. We're still at the Painting and Decorating Stroke Installer Show 2026 at the NEC. Now, if you've watched my channel before, I've done a number of shows, and one of the shows that I go to is the ones that brewers hold. Now, if you remember back in, what were we, 2025, that was June. I think I spoke to you in June there. I spoke to Ed. If it wasn't 2025, it might have been the year before, but Ed is on the Coo Var stand. They do a anti-condensation paint, and I thought, while we're at the P&D Show in the NEC, let's have a touch base. There's a few things that probably Ed wants to tell us that's new on the market with them, and I can only say too much, but do you know what? Ed's great on camera. I've said he's got a face for camera and not radio, so I'm going to swivel the camera and let him just talk to us there. And there he is.
No, thank you very much,
Phil.
Nice to see you again, Ed.
Too,
yeah. No, cheers for having us.
What do you want to tell us about the stuff you've got? And I think
so we
something
thought
else
we'd try and switch it up a little bit this year. We're in a fantastic event, again, obviously the Paint and Decorating Show, but we're joined with the Woodworking Show, the Installer Show, and that attracts a very different clientele to what we normally get. So with that kind of in mind, we want to really concentrate on kind of like the social housing products. So Phil's already mentioned the anti-condensation paint. We do have that again, and we do have samples for that. It's probably our biggest selling product that's kind of in the domestic market as opposed to the commercial. But we've also got a new product with us this year we're very excited about, which is our Grip Aqua. Grip itself is probably one of our longest selling products in terms of longevity. The formulation hasn't changed really since it was first used for the decks of North Sea fishing boats. But the Aqua we're very excited about. As you can see with the name, it's water-based. It's doing extremely well in the social housing, in care homes, in schools, anywhere where a high aggregate anti-slip floor paint is required, but it has to be water-based as opposed to solvent-based. And we've had some great reception about it, some great orders, extremely good interest, so we've got lots of leads to follow up with in the near future.
Don't want to butt in on your conversation, Ed, because everybody gets onto me for doing that, but just touching on that, now there's always a problem, an issue when people are trying to paint over floor paints that have been on before. How does that sit in the market? Because it's always been like a 2-pack's the best going to be. With that being water-based, what's the compatibility and what's the optimum? What's going to be the best for that situation?
That's it. I mean, it's a great question. We do get asked that a lot. With it being water-based, it is compatible with pretty much every other floor paint that is out in the market at the moment. As long as it is degreased, lightly abraded, it will be compatible with any floor paint down there. Yes, we do have a 2-pack version where if it is very heavy foot traffic and that is required, we do have a 2-pack version called Pro Grip. But in terms of compatibility, there's absolutely no issues at all.
And I know people are asked, because this is always the big question, garage floors, tyres on it. I know what my garage is like, and everywhere I park my car, it's always in the same spot, and it comes away.
That's it. Yeah, no, we see that a lot.
How do you work with the paints with that?
Myself being ICOR accredited, I get used a lot on the kind of technical specification tyres. What you're describing there, we call hot tyre pickup. See it absolutely pretty much every week. We'll get a complaint. We've bought this single pack, drove the car in hot, drove it out cold, it's ripping the paint up. We do have a fantastic product called PoroFlow Plus, which is a full 2-pack epoxy resin that will withstand hot tyre pickup. No issues at all.
No problem with garages.
No problem on garage floor
What
paints.
about anti-slip in it as well?
You can put, so we do have an aggregate. It's available in a 440 gram tin. You can apply that covers 20 square metres, same as the actual ProFlow Plus itself. Basically, once you've applied a layer of ProFlow Plus, that gets scattered on like birdseed, back rolled in, sandwiched with another coat of the ProFlow Plus, and then effectively you've got an anti-slip 2-pack epoxy that you can drive on. So we see it a lot with garages, more double garages than single garages, where they want an anti-slip walkway down the side if they're driving where it's wet. If it's in winter and it gets icy, so yeah, more than can
I'm
cover
sorry I
that.
diversified you off something else.
That's it.
but-
No, we've got way
sorry,
off
carry on.
social housing,
But it was just interesting because I know people say about floor paints.
That's
and
it, yeah,
We always know that 2-pack's always going to be the
That's
best,
correct,
and
yeah.
you're only as good as the surface that you're going
Exactly,
over.
yeah. So we are working on something behind closed doors via our website, where we'll basically be selling it as kind of like a garage floor kit.
Yeah.
So they can put in how many square metres their garage is, and it'll tell them exactly what they need, as well as a link to a specification.
Yeah, that's good. Right, was there anything else you wanted to tell us about?
There's nothing really much else, no. All I can say is what we have done now, we've invested quite a lot, and we have gotten QR codes now, so
I don't know whether we'll pick up on that.
whether it picks up or not, but that just takes everyone to our website, www.coovar.co.uk. On there you can find all the technical data sheets, safety data sheets, it's contact number direct to our technical team, so anyone who has any inquiries, please do get in touch.
That's good. And there's something else you want to talk about?
Right, so one other thing we've started doing now, we've just started a Coo Var Creator Scheme. So we're looking for influencers who we can kind of collaborate with. We're more than happy to kind of provide free stock. And it's just something we're really working on with the website and the platform. We do fantastic products. They are well known in the market, but for like before, after content, we don't really have too much. So it's something we're really eager to get going. We've been chatting about it for the last 2 days with various influencers, and it's hopefully.
What I will
Fingers
say
crossed.
is I will put a link to your website,
Yep.
some contact details. So
That's it,
if
yeah.
anybody does want to touch base with you, and they can do and contact
So we
you
have
that way.
a separate email address now, which is exclusively for the marketing team.
Yeah.
So I will give that to Phil. Phil can put that on this, and then just
That's
please
good.
do get in touch.
Good. Thank you very much. Always a pleasure, Ed.
always a
And I
pleasure.
will see you at the next show.
Definitely.
Thank you.
Yep.
Cheers.